Okay, so I just wanted to take a section. Okay, so I just wanted to take a second and talk to you about how Google Drive and Google Classroom interact with each other. Now, you'll you'll remember from the last time when we uploaded a Now, I just wanted to take a second and talk to you guys about how Google Drive and Google Classroom interact with each other. Now, you remember back when we added this Photoshop outline as a PDF and we uploaded it directly from the computer. Mother fucking trove. Alright, so today I just wanted to take some time and talk to you guys about how Google Drive and Google Classroom interact with each other. Now you'll remember when we uploaded this Photoshop outline PDF to Google Classroom and we uploaded it directly from the computer, what it did was it went and just added this PDF file to my classroom. Now the reason it did that is because Google Drive realizes and Google Classroom realizes that this PDF is not anywhere in Google Drive. It's been uploaded from your computer. So now what it does is it then also adds it to this folder. But when you go ahead and you add a Google Drive document, such as a doc, a sheet, a slide, or a form, because they are already housed in Google Drive, they will not make a copy of it and put it in your classroom folder. So it will not end up in this Tech A folder. The reason for that is it will create a duplicate. And then if you were to edit the one that is in this folder, you're then going to have both of them called the exact same thing, or you'll have multiple versions of the same document, and you'll get confused as to which is the most up-to-date one. So the best thing for you to do is take some time and organize your Google Docs and your Google Drive before you start adding things to your classroom. And let me show you what I mean by that. So if we go to my drive, I have my drive broken down into a few different things. I've got ISY, and that's for all non-teaching related things such as after-school activities and whatnot. Then I have this folder here called Teaching, and inside that folder you'll notice I have two more folders. I have Classroom, and this is the folder that Google Classroom automatically created when I made this Tech 8A folder. So inside here, any other class that I am teaching or I am enrolled in, I will see here. Right? Just like we do, we go inside and we can see the previous folders that we made as well as the file that was uploaded. Now, if I go to this courses folder, what I've done is I've made this folder, and inside there I have a folder for high school and I have a folder for middle school. And that's because I'm teaching a high school and a middle school class. And inside there, you'll see the various classes that I am teaching. Now, instead of making a separate folder for grade 8A, grade 8B, and grade 8C, what I've gone and done is I just have one folder for grade 8, and inside there is going to be the files that I want to upload throughout the course of quarter one or the year or however I'm going to do it. So then you'll see for my Photoshop poster design project that the kids are going to work on, you'll see all of the files I want. For the media publication, you'll see there's the production plan, the podcast rubric, basically all the information that I'm going to want the students to have. And I'm housing them here. And inside the middle school folder, instead of having a folder for grade 8A, grade 8B, grade 8C, same thing for grade 7, I've just gone and created a single folder for grade 8, and this will be all of the different Google Docs that I'm going to want to have while I teach my grade 8s. So for example, if I look inside the media publication, the Week Without Walls project, you'll see here this is the rubric and the production plans for everything that they need for this project. And I'm going to keep them here. And then when I go to my assignments and I choose to upload the document to that assignment, the document is going to be stuck here for me, but it will also be added to the Google Classroom for them to access it there. So I know it's a little confusing, and if you get stuck with that, you can feel free to ask me any questions. But just know that when you upload a file directly from your computer, it will create a copy of that file in your Classroom folder. But when you go to add a file from Google Docs, it will not make a copy and add it to that folder. Instead, it's going to just link wherever it is that you have that file saved into your Google Classroom. So it's really important that you take some time and you organize your folder or you organize your drive so that you know where things are. Now, there are some exceptions to this rule, and we will see those exceptions when we go to make assignments in Google Classroom. Again, shoot me an email or give me a call if you get stuck, and I will be happy to help out because I know this section is a little bit confusing.